What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks. Welcome back to the channel, man. If this is your first time here, I'd like to formally welcome you to the FLYEERRKicks cave. Welcome aboard, man. Drop a like. Feel free to drop a comment if you like the content. And definitely hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can join that frequent Flyers Club. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over there, drop a like, drop a comment. Let's interact on IG, man. Now, if you seen my last video, man, I kind of explained where I was going to be going with the channel for these next few videos. I scrapped all my old footage and I re-recorded everything that I picked up during quarantine. So this is part one of about 3 videos, man. I got 3 pairs on this one. Got about 15 pairs total to show y'all. So let's get straight to it, man. Quarantine pickup number 1. Y'all see this big orange box, man. Fear of God on the top. The tag reads Nike Air Fear of God 1, off Noir and off Noir. Size 11.5. This is my personal pair. And this is actually the first pair of Fear of Gods that I've owned, man. I got these joints for retail from VENMO. Cover my address real quick. Got these joints for retail for VENMO, man. Got these on release day. Got the Fear of God bag. Silver pack with the Fear of God accessories, lace locks, keychain, all that good stuff. This nice orange wax paper. And here we have the Air Fear of God 1. Triple black, wrapped up like a piece of candy, man. And here we go, man. It's a super clean, solid black shoe. If you guys have been on the channel for a while, you guys know that I'm a black shoe connoisseur, man. So this is right up my alley when it came to Fear of Gods, man. This is really the second pair that I wanted. The first pair being the Fear of God Question with the Iverson campaign that he released during All-Star Weekend. I actually met him out in Chicago during All-Star Weekend at St. Alfred. He was there for his release, man. Chopped it up with him for a little bit, took a picture with him. Super cool dude, man. But up to that point, I had no Fear of Gods, and that's really the best pair in my opinion, the Question pair. So I'm definitely still on the lookout for those, but this is definitely a nice consolation prize, man. Solid black joint, man. And it's not just a solid black shoe they just threw together and made everything black. There's kind of like different shades of black and like I guess off black, if that's a thing, or like charcoal gray looking blacks, man. So it's just a nice touch. I know inside the shoes it comes with different color shoelaces. It got this like cream pair, and I believe it has a darker cell pair in there as well, man. I'm definitely gonna change out the laces, throw on maybe one of the orange lace locks to add a little color to it. But super fire shoe, man. It has that nice ashy black outsole, has that tinted black air bubble on it, black laces, man. It has the zipper on the back for easy access. Like I said, I've never actually worn a pair of Fear of Gods, but a lot of people say they're pretty comfortable, and for them to be kind of designed as a basketball shoe, I see it as high fashion. But they're pretty comfortable, nice to walk around in, man. My bro Mike owns like every color except for maybe one pair that he's missing out on, so he kind of influenced me to go ahead and hop on and really grab my pair. Mike and my boy Derek was with me at All-Star Weekend. They both lucked up and hit on a raffle for the strings pair. So like I said, man, that's really the main pair I want. I might go ahead and sell these off and just pay the difference and grab the pair that I really want, which is the strings or Question pair. But definitely super happy to have these. Quarantine pickup number 1, man. Nike Air Fear of God 1 triple black. Let me know how y'all feeling about these, man. It's a drip, flip, or skip, like my boy Trinidad said. Now moving on to the next pair, man. I reached back to the year 2016 for these joints. You see that box top, it has the red Jumpman and that flight on it. Has that speckle paint on the bottom of the box, man. You can tell it's a Jordan 4. Tag reads Air Jordan 4, Retro, OG, white, fire red, black, and tech gray. Open these joints up. Box top, plastic paper for Jordan 4s. And here we have a pair of white cement 4s, man. Just an OG pair. Nike Air on the back. It's a clean pair, man. OG pair, white cement 4s. I actually have a pair in the other room, man, but they're kind of like messed up. So I seen this DS pair for a good price, man, so I had to grab them. Let me go grab my other pair real quick, though. Alright, so here's my old pair, man. I got release day 2016, man. I don't know what I did, what event I went to. Got them pretty dirty. I definitely can get these cleaned up, but I wasn't really motivated to do so. But I have a DS pair now, so I'll go ahead and slide these into one of these slots back here, and I'll go ahead and get these cleaned up. I may hop on my Instagram live in the next couple of days, just chop it up with you guys, man, see how you guys are feeling about some recent releases, man, and just clean these up in the process, man. But back to the DS pair, man. Like I said, I seen these joints for a really, really good price, man. Couldn't really pass them up. I've done deals with the guy before, so he showed love. And like I said, man, it's an OG pair, man. I needed a clean pair I can step out in whenever I get ready, man, so I hopped on it. Now, I decided to do a fun little giveaway for these white cement 4s, man. Really simple. You don't have to go follow anybody or anything like that. But if you can guess the exact price, how much I paid for these, I'll do 3 winners. And I'll pay for you guys' lunch sometime next week. I'll probably close the giveaway a week from the day that I post the video, man. So you get up to 3 guesses to comment down below. If you can guess what I paid for these, man, the 3 closest people, man, I'll go ahead and send you guys out some lunch money for next week. Grab some Chick-fil-A or whatever you like to eat, and we'll work that out, man. But second shoe of my quarantine pickup, white cement 4s, crispy white pair, Nike Air on the back, dead stock, no-brainer pickup, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Is this one of your favorite OGs? Is it too white for you? Or is it just right, man? The white cement 4s, white cement 3s are right up my alley, man. Super fire. Shoe number 2. Now, last but definitely not least, man, the shoe that I've been looking for since the release day. Had to go back to 2017 to grab these joints. And in my opinion, man, it's the best collab of that year. And honestly, the shoe of the year overall. Maybe you can put it behind the Off-White Chicago. That's the only shoe that I'll kind of give you credit for. But other than that, this is the best shoe of 2017. Now, if you think you know what it is, man, go ahead and drop a comment down below before I reveal this shoe, man. Go ahead and leave a comment, I'm gonna wait for you. Y'all done? You guess? You know what it is? Now, y'all see those X's on the front of that box? Y'all see those hands? Y'all see that artwork, man? Y'all already know what these are. Told y'all they dropped in 2017. The tag reads Air Jordan 4 Retro, KAWS, cool gray, and white. And here we have my babies. Happy to finally have these joints in the collection. The gray KAWS 4s, man. Crazy shoe. Now, like I said earlier, in my opinion, this is the craziest shoe of 2017. Quality wise and creatively, man, this shoe is just unmatched. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a DS pair, but I got a crazy deal on these. So if you go look at that market price right now, I didn't pay anywhere near that, man. This pair has been worn one time, man. Still super dope. Not dirty at all. The guy that I bought them from, man, we've done a couple of deals, man. Shout out to my guy Raul for these. If you're from Houston or you're in DSA, one of the chats out here, you know Raul, man. He's super legit dude, man. Always has the heat, always willing to make a deal with you, man. Especially if you've done some deals with him in the past, man. But like I said, super clean shoe, man. All suede all the way around. Gray wax laces. Got the thick suede right here on the tongue. Got the thick suede right here where the netting would be on a regular pair of 4s. Got that double X on the back with the KAWS Air. Got the nice suede hang tag, man. This entire bottom of the shoe glows in the dark. It's a super crazy pair, man. I was lucky enough to grab the black pair for super cheap off of eBay. Won them in an auction. Lucked up and grabbed these joints, and I've been looking for the gray pair ever since. Like I said, you guys know my black shoe connoisseur, so technically, I definitely like the black KAWS better than the gray KAWS, but I can't even front, man. This gray one is way cleaner, man. This is just a crazy shoe. But you guys give me your honest opinion, man. Would you rather have the gray KAWS? Would you rather have the black KAWS? Which one do you think is better? Just let me know. And I also decided to do a giveaway for these as well, man. So whoever can guess the closest to the amount that I paid for these, man, I'll send you out a gift pack. Include a couple of t-shirts, a pair of our custom shorts, and I'll see what other goodies I can throw in that bag, but it'll definitely be worth it, man. Nice gift pack, full of merch, nice shorts, nice FLYEERRKicks tees. Tap in, man. Like I said, so the person with the closest guess to how much I paid for these will be the winner of a gift pack. I'll throw in a pair of our custom shorts, a couple of FLYEERR tees. And for the white cement 4s, remember, I'm going to have 3 winners for that, and I'll be buying you guys lunch sometime next week or the week after that. But guess the price on these, and I'll send you out a gift pay, man. It's gonna be a fire gift pay. So go ahead, comment down below the price you think I paid for the white cement fours and the price you think I paid for the gray KAWS fours. But as I was saying, man, super happy to have these. This is a holy grail for a lot of people, including myself, man. Ecstatic to have these. Can't wait to wear them, man. Not sure if I'll pull them out on a regular day or if I'll wait till maybe someone's wedding or something, or I need to throw on a suit and I'll rock my Jordan 4s, man. Y'all let me know when I should wear these, or if I should just put them up and hold them in a vault and let that value continue to increase, man. Y'all give me y'all's opinion. Now that just about wraps it up for this video, man. For our quarantine pickups part 1, we got the Nike Air Fear of God Triple Black. We got the white cement 4 classic OGs. Had to grab these, man. The price has been going crazy since the last dance, doc. Can't go wrong with these. Icy white, DS, crispy, crease free. And we got the gray KAWS 4s, man. Let me know which one of these shoes is your favorite. Let me know which one you would wear first. Or let me know which one you wouldn't wear at all, man. Don't forget to drop your guesses down below for how much I paid for the white cement 4, how much I paid for the KAWS 4, man. Until next time on the next video, we got the heaters, man. Part 1, part 2 coming soon. Peace.